Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
So today we are going to discuss strategy. Right? Our subject is strategic management. So what do you mean by strategy? I am going to explain through that design thinking theory. Right? So what do you mean by strategy? Any idea? What do you mean by strategy?
Benchmark or standard.
Okay, benchmark standards. Understand? Okay. If you're having a product, right? Any product, pen or whatever it is, right? So if you're selling the product to the customer, so first you have to induce the customer to purchase the particular product, right? So if you're going to frame the strategy, okay? So because what type of strategy means, for example, your target customers first. You can identify your target customers. For example, if it's a chocolate, right? You can attract to children, right? I mean the cartoon pictures like that, they will attract. For example, if there is adults, right? So each one you are going to frame the strategy. So in every organization, right, top to bottom, I mean the top to low organization. So every organization they are going to follow some strategies, right? So in that strategy, there are two types. I mean the two things are very, very important. One is vision, another one is mission. So vision is a long-term goal, mission is a short-term goal. So for example, if you take a vision, so it will take 10 years, right? 10 to 15 years means my company is the number one all around the world, right? So that is a vision. So mission all around Tamil Nadu, within the 1 year or 2 years, I am the number one, right? So towards the vision and mission, you can achieve your target, right? Target or objective or goal. So it depends upon the vision and mission, you can work towards the vision and mission. Then only you can easily achieve, right? So in that, now you clearly understand about the strategy, right? So you can create the awareness about the product first, then you have to manufacture, then you can induce the customer to buy the particular product, right? That is a strategy. Okay. So the same like that, you are having strategic management. So strategic management means the strategic management process, right? So strategic management process, it's nothing but first we are going to the intention. So strategic management focus or strategic management intention. So in the strategic management intention, we are going to focus three things again: vision, mission, and objectives, right? So after that strategic intention you are focused, we are going to formulate the strategy, right? So formulate the strategy in the sense, for example, if you take it as in an organization, everything you have to, you said right, benchmark, so everything you have to depends upon the competitive analysis. So who is the competitor? So in the competitor strength, so you can know that, then depends upon that you have to increase your product, I mean the strength, right? So then only you can sell the product to the customer easily. Okay. So now you clearly understand about the strategy and strategic management process. Okay. So in that strategy, we are having the strategic formulation. We are having some design, structure, and process. Right? I mean system. So first you are going to design the product. Where you are going to design your product? R&D, research and development. So if you are going to design any product, first you can approach the R&D, research and development. Okay. So R&D. Next we are going to come to that process. So in what process means the whole process. You are going to manufacture the assembly, right? So you have to manufacture the process. So not only that process, in an organization also we are having some process, right? So that's we are saying it's operations, right? I mean system. So system means you are coming at 8:45. You are having some work, right? Day-to-day operations of that work. Then finally you can leave at 4:40. So this is the system, right? So in that system you are saying it's a working capital. So day-to-day operations of the business, right? Day-to-day operations of the business is working capital. Now you clearly understand strategy management process. So the same like that in that link objective, right? Objective and setting objectives, right? So now you clearly, so depends upon that objective, towards the work, you can achieve the target of. Clearly understand the strategy and strategic management process? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.